break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rate up, rate up, rate up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, rate up, rate up, rate it up. I make love.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't came and like talked to you guys in person in a long time because I've been doing a bunch of voiceover tutorials, but I'm here today to show you guys how I did this Nicki inspired look. Now you guys know Nicki just dropped 2 new songs recently. What was it? Barbie Tingz and Chun-Li. So I was like, why not do Nicki inspired hair with some of my old synthetic hair. You heard me right. I said dye synthetic hair. Yes, you can dye this, and I did, and I'm gonna show you those steps coming up. But first I just want to talk about this hair. So you guys have seen this hair multiple times on this channel. This is my sensational vixen hair, and clearly it's still looking good, you guys, and I've worn it lots of times. And as a synthetic wig, that says a lot about it. You know, a lot of people I see don't like it, but I actually love it. I really also think it's about how you take care of your hair. Now, I went clubbing and sweat this wig all the way out, but when I washed it, that definitely changed it. And I also will say, when I boiled the hair when dyeing this, that also, like, do you not see how like straight that is now and like nice? Now, I didn't boil this side, and this side is real thick. So I think that might actually add the moisture and sheen back into it by boiling it. So I think I might boil this side with like some conditioner and see what that does to this. But like I said, it's just a synthetic wig. I was thinking about getting a new one anyway. So, but like I said, this did do a good job. But Nicki did come out with those 2 new songs, and this look that I have for you right now, this is inspired by her Rake It Up video. And I'll insert some pictures probably, or you saw the picture in the thumbnail. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into how I dyed the hair, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys a little bit more. So in the picture that I seen of Nicki that inspired me to go ahead and do this look, she had half pink and then the rest was still blonde. Now the pink that she had wasn't like crazy pink, it was like a blush type of pink or whatever, and it went all throughout. And I think there we go. But she went ahead and she wore it half and half, so that's what I was going for with this. Now when I dyed it the first time, I used stuff that you use on human hair, and that was an epic fail. I'll either insert clips here and just talk about it. So pretty much I used Adore cotton candy, I believe, cotton candy. If it's not cotton candy, I'm still gonna show it. I use cotton candy, I mix it with conditioner, and once you add the conditioner, it makes it lighten up the color, and then I added it. Now the color that it looked like when it was sitting on the hair was so cute and would have came out nice, but when I rinsed it off and I let it sit on this hair overnight, that morning when I washed it off, the color washed off with it and it looked just like this again. I think the only thing that dyed and stained was like the tracks, because this is a lace front, so like it's only lace like right here and the rest is tracks. So like the actual tracks did turn pink, but it's okay. So now for this, and then I'll insert that as the next scene here. I'm gonna go into that. I use Ritz or Rit, something like that. It's like a fabric type of ink that you use to dye and stain fabric, and that's what I used. I got the color Petal Pink, and I also got Fuchsia because I did see a video where a girl, she used Petal Pink and it did not do anything. It didn't change the color at all. So what I did is, because they do tell you to use 3 gallons of water per half a bottle of ink, I didn't follow that because like I said, I watched the girl do it and her stuff came out with no color. So I put a decent amount of water, but I put like mostly all the bottle of color in there. And you'll see when I first started to like dip it in the boiling water, I thought it was gonna come out red and I was gonna be like, oh my gosh, like this is the third time I've dyed it. Like clearly this video is not meant to be if I don't get it right. But it came out like this when it dried. Now I did have some spots where it got a little bit darker, like up here. It took more here than it did like down. Like I kind of wanted it to stay in this shade, but I mean that darker color is not bad. I think I still did a decent job. I actually really like the color. Like I would do it on this whole wig, but I'm kind of feeling the half and half. Like I wish I had like a party or something to go to where I can rock this look, because I'd be a showstopper, baby. But I don't really go anywhere but to work right now, and this is not something that you should wear to like a health insurance company. So
okay, for the second go round, what I used was the Ritz liquid dye. This is for, like I said, fabrics. I did get the color Petal Pink only because that pink that's showing on the outside of the bottle looks like it would be the perfect color to give me what I need. I also did grab a fuchsia only because I did see a video where a girl used Petal Pink and it stayed pretty light. You also need a bowl because you're going to dye it in a bowl of boiling water. It says use the most hottest water as safe as possible for the fabric or for the hair. So you want to boil it to be as hot as possible. And they said 3 gallons per half a bottle. I didn't use 3 gallons of water. I just used as much as I thought would be needed. As you can see, this fuchsia is really purple, so I'm not going to use that at all. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the Petal Pink. So I went ahead and boiled some water and then went ahead and added that Petal Pink into the boiling water. And once that was done, I just went ahead and started to dunk the section of hair that I wanted to be dyed into that bowl. It does look like the hair is going to come out red, but trust me, once I rinse it out, everything faded to a nice light pink.
but y'all, when I say I'm really feeling this look, like I went to get my shades. Now I got these shades from Beautyque, and pretty much these are the shades you be seeing on Rashida Boss Bitch. I think Zanique had them on. Black China got these shades. I know at Rashida's Store Press, these shades are on sale for like $50. But oh, you see how they got the mirror, so you see my little setup. But pretty much I got these for $15, you guys, and I will link the site down below where I got these shades. Definitely check out the site, definitely see what they have. Yeah, I really love these, but I'm gonna have to take them off because y'all just seeing my whole little setup up here. But it's time to say goodbye. It's so hard to my lashes. Okay, because see, I was trying to go for this Nicki look and I needed a dramatic pair of lashes. The next dramatic pair of lashes I have, they're like not here yet. I'm ordering them from Embellishment lashes.com. As you guys know, that's where I get my lashes from. I do have a 10% discount code that will be linked down below as well. Just type in OSO page and you get 10% off your order. But these are my Chloe's. Now you know their lashes are 100% mink, and you're supposed to get 25 installments of it, like 25 wears out of them. When I tell you, I slick done got more than 25 out of these. And I totally have way more lashes than just Chloe. But I just love my Chloe so much. Like, they give me the look I need. I'm probably going to order like 5 more of these just because. She Slick needs to change the name from Chloe to Ozo Page because these are my signature lashes, y'all. I'm not lying. I love them so much. They always give me the look I'm going for. But anyway, y'all, I feel so vain because I'm trying to talk to y'all, but then I'm like trying to look at myself because I keep catching a glimpse and I'm just feeling it. Like, don't come for your girl. I'm not cocky. I promise you I'm not cocky, but I'm just feeling like I'm just really proud of myself because I did this. I did this color and I'm feeling it for real. I ain't even pulled out a brush. That's how you know this wig doing a good job. I done did all this moving. I ain't pulled out not damn brush. and it still look good. You guys know I'm from Memphis, so I'm sorry. The little ratchetness coming out just a little bit. But that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I just wanted to do a quick video with you guys. I was missing my weave. You know how it is, you get weave and then like you miss your real hair, then you wear your real hair and you miss your weave. Like, I love that I can switch it up and do both, but when I say baby, it feels so good to be back in a wig. It feels so good to be back in some platinum. And looking at it with this half and half, like, I'm loving it. Like, this might be a look that I continue. Nicki also had a look where she did half blue, half platinum. If y'all want to see something like that from me, comment down below. I'll do it. I'll try it. But anyway, guys, that's really like all that I have for you today. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to try something out to see if I could do it. You know, testing myself out. I don't have any like dyeing or bleaching or cosmetology experience, and so it's just nice to play around with hair. Like, I literally love all things hair, all things beauty, makeup stuff. I can't say I'm so into makeup because I don't really know what I'm doing. My makeup skills are very subpar, but when it comes to hair, honey, I love it. And I think that I did a decent job. Like I said, considering this is synthetic hair and I was able to get it to look like that Nicki Minaj picture that I was going for, kudos to me. Next week, I do have a wig review for you guys. I have an unboxing / initial review. I did order some hair from this company. It's called Slove Hair. They also do have like an AliExpress company as well, but I actually got it from their website, so I'll be showing you guys that hair. I'm excited, so just stay tuned with me and that'll be up for you next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you guys. If you made it through this whole video and you watch it, you might as well hit that subscribe button. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys for watching.